The BonBillo social entrepreneurship platform helps entrepreneurs launch high-impact, high-growth startups. Over the last year, we've helped Emerson College students make their business ideas real. Meet Kathleen, an Emerson alum and co-founder at Go Network.
Hi, I'm Kathleen, the co-founder at Go Network, a free streaming service that showcases positive content geared towards multicultural viewers. The BonBillo platform gave us structure on how do you identify your target customer, how do you solve their problem while also thinking about social impact, go-to-market, and the commercial aspect of our solution. As we completed the lecture videos, quizzes, and milestones deliverables using templates on our platform, we were able to develop and refine our business plan. We received feedback and advice from mentors during the process, which motivated us to go even further.
University partners such as Emerson Launch get access to student progress reports and notifications on milestones completed. Faculty members have the opportunity to provide feedback to students as well.
Oh, the coolest part? We engaged with Verobot, BonBillo's entrepreneurship guide, to have our startup questions answered and find relevant resources. It was easy and time-saving. What is the biggest difference? Through BonBillo, we are also an active part of BonBillo's global community of diverse entrepreneurs. We meet every week with experienced founders and mentors. This is the biggest source of inspiration to see how others are progressing. BonBillo has also thought of practical support for its entrepreneurs. Since launching our startup, we now have access to over $50,000 in BonBillo partner benefits from HubSpot, Google for Startups, AWS, Miro, Shoebox, and others. We pitched our startup at Demo Day to advisors and investors and received excellent feedback, and now we're on to the next steps.
We're stoked by the success of our alumni teams. Wanting to do good can be as easy as joining BonBillo. What are you waiting for? Join now.